viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. You know that how many types of classical dance are there in India? If your answer is no, so after watching the video, you will be able to give the answer. So don't forget to like the video and subscribe the bell icon. India is one culturally rich country where almost every state has its own language, cuisine and dance forms. When it comes to dance, India has traditional, classical, folk and tribal dance styles and all are simply amazing. The number of recognized classical dances range from 8 to more, depending on the source and the scholar. The Sangeet Natak Academy recognizes 8 dance forms: Bharatnatyam, Kathak, Kuchipudi, Odissi, Kathakali, Satriya, Manipuri and Mohiniyattam. Bharatnatyam is a dance of Tamil Nadu in southern India. In Bharatnatyam dance, Bhava means expression, Ragam means music, Talam means beat or rhythm, and Natyam means dance in Tamil language. Bharatnatyam was performed by certain families of Tanjore district and known as Natuvans. Bharatnatyam, one of the most popular classical Indian dances. Bharatnatyam is more popular in South India state of Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. Bharatnatyam dance is almost 2000 years old. It is believed that Bharatnatyam was revealed by Lord Brahma to Bharata, a famous saga, who then codified this in a Sanskrit text called Natya Shastra. Firstly, it was initiated in the Hindu temples of Tamil Nadu and eventually it was flourished in South India. It was performed with excellent footwork and impressive gestures, and it includes Nritya and Natya. The famous Bharatnatyam dancers are Rukmani Devi, Padma Subramanyam and many more. Another dance form is Kuchipudi. Kuchipudi, one of 6 classical dance styles of India. Kuchipudi derives its name from the village of Kuchelapuram in Andhra Pradesh, India. As a classical form of dance, drama and music, Kuchipudi enjoys a unique place among the Indian classical idioms. Kuchipudi grew largely as a product of Bhakti movement beginning in the 7th century. However, it was in the 14th century that the Siddhendra Yogi appeared on the scene and gave Kuchipudi a new definition and direction. Radha Raja Reddy, Shobha Naidu are some of the famous Indian Kuchipudi dancers. They performed and promoted the traditional and classical Indian dance form and style of Kuchipudi around the world. Another dance form is Odissi. Odissi related to Bharatnatyam in its basic pattern. The form is considered the toughest dance form, and Odissi emphasizes posture and is enlivened by a variety of elevation and jumps. Odissi, a dance of Odisha, and is a dance rediscovered in the 20th century, one that has moved like all classical dances of India, from the temple to the stage. Odissi dance is particularly known for its lyrical grace, elaborate rhythmic variation, and dramatic expression. The antiquity of this dance form is evident from its roots that trace back to the ancient Sanskrit Hindu text called Natya Shastra, which deals with different performing arts. Sonal Mansingh, Jhelam Paranchape are some of the famous dancers of Odissi. Another dance form is Kathakali. This dance form originated in southwest India in Kerala. Characterized by its dramatic makeup and elaborate costume, audiences are taken on a visual journey in this dance form. It is the culmination of a long process of evaluation and assimilation of different theatrical form and of both the highly styled form of theatre called Kudiyattam and the martial art form called Kalaripayattu. In Kathakali, the actors do not speak. Kathakali or story play is among Kerala's most famous contributions to the realm of performance arts. It is distinctive apparel, headdress and makeup are synonymous with God's own country. Its current form sees its guidelines mentioned in the ancient Sanskrit compilation by Saga Bharata, the Natya Shastra. His Ramanattam, a temple art depicting the life of Lord Rama. Among the classical art forms, Kathakali has the most extensive costumes. With ornate headgear, brilliantly colored faces and face masks. The five major Veshams in Kathakali are Gati means knife, Pacha means green, Thadi means beard, Miniku means radiant and Kari means black. Kalamandalam Gopi, Pandit Birju Maharaj are some of the famous Kathakali dancers. Another dance form is Satriya. Originated and deriving its name from the Satras or Vaishnavi monasteries of Assam. The Satriya, the dance was introduced by the 15th century Vaishnavi poet Sant Sankaradeva Satriya or Satriya Nritya. It is a major Indian classical dance. It is a dance drama performance art with origins in the Krishna-centered Vaishnavism monasteries of Assam and attributed to the 15th century Bhakti movement. The costumes of Satriya dance is two types. The male costume comprising the dhoti and the chadar and the pagdi turban, and the female costume comprising the guri, chadar and kanchi vest cloth. The core of the Satriya Nritya has usually been mythological stories. This was an artistic way of presenting mythological teaching to the people. Another dance form is Manipuri. Manipuri dance, also known as Jagoi, is one of the major Indian classical dance forms. Named after the region of its origin, Manipur, a state in northeastern India bordering with Myanmar, Burma, Assam, Nagaland and Mizoram. The roots of Manipuri dance, as with all classical Indian dances. Basically, it is known for its Hindu Vaishnavism themes and exercise performance of love-inspired dance drama of Radha Krishna called Ras Leela. The costumes in Manipuri dance is very colorful and very attractive. The female dancers wear a dress called patloi. The lehenga is called kuming with mirrors and the zari work intricately woven into beautiful designs. It is layered with a transparent silk. There are two styles of these dance forms, the Tandava and the Lasya. The traditional Manipuri Ras Leela is performed in three styles. First one is Tal Rasak, second one is Danda Rasak and third one is Mandal Rasak. Another dance form is Mohiniyattam. Mohiniyattam is one of the famous classical dances of India that developed and remain popular in the state of Kerala. Kathakali is another classical dance form of Kerala. Mohiniyattam dance gets its name from the word Mohini, a mythical avatar of the Hindu god Vishnu. Mohiniyattam, also spelled as Mohini Attam, is the traditional dance form of Kerala performed exclusively by the women. It is one of the ancient Indian classical dance forms recognized by the Sangeet Natak Academy. The dance is characterized by the suggestive hand movement, mudras, rhythmic footwork and lyrical music. The costume includes plain white or off-white such as ivory or cream colored sari embroidered with bright golden or gold laced colored brooch. So friends, this is the video about Indian classical dance forms. Hope you all like my video. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe the bell icon. Thank you for watching the video.